Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I, of course, am here with another makeup look, and I don't know what to say today. Like, I'm not necessarily doing anything new, but I did try out like the Halamide Pore Delete, and I'm not really gonna say anything about that. I just want you guys to continue watching just to check out what happened and if I liked it and if I didn't like it. I changed foundations because honestly, I love Maybelline. Don't get me wrong, but that red foundation though, let's not do that again. Somebody actually sent me a message. She said she uses, the Body Shop drops, Body Shop drops of the sun to adjust the undertone. But yeah, I'm gonna be also trying out some more Shop Miss A glitter liners, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a nude lip. I haven't done a nude lip on my channel, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I actually make nude lips wearable on my skin, because I am darker than most and this isn't my nude. It's not, but I can always make it my nude if I just add a little something. If you're a returning subscriber, hit that like button, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And notification bell somewhere here right next to the subscribe button. Yeah, hit those first. Hit them real quick. I'm gonna wait for you. I'm just gonna wait for you. You done? You better be. Let me stop talking, and let's just get right into this. Alright, so you guys know the drill. I can't stand any other color in my crease. Well, honestly, I can, but I just prefer orange in my crease, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Morocco from the Juvias place. What's this? The Nubian 2 palette. And I'm just gonna blend it in into my crease. Actually, I'm actually just gonna pack it on. So I'm just gonna pack in the orange color in my crease. Honestly speaking, I feel like orange colors in the crease, like for darker skinned women, they make your eyeshadows look popping, especially when you layer on like other warm colors on top. It completes everything. Like, it matches the skin tone and it makes your eyeshadow look more blended than it actually is. So if you're not that great at blending eyeshadow, honestly, I feel like this would be like a little trick. I'm really packing it in because I really wanted to like stand out and brighten up the colors that are gonna come right after it. Plus, I'm gonna add a little more orange later on, probably when I'm finished doing the whole shadow look, and I'm gonna blend it in right at the top of this crease, right along here. So now I'm taking this red color from the 120 color Beige Cosmetics palette. It's this orangish red, and I absolutely love combining these two shades together. It just, I don't know, it makes the look really interesting, and it's basically just making my crease color like a lot stronger. So I'm kind of afraid of using Beige Cosmetics eyeshadows sometimes, because I've had like a history of them like breaking apart when I put them on top of other colors, on top of other shades from like other palettes. It's just weird. But for this color, I haven't seen it break apart on me just yet, so that's why I keep using it on the crease. And now I'm just packing in that red shade in the other eye, on the other eyelid, just to intensify that red and to make it have a voice of its own, because that orange shade sometimes swallows the other shades if you're not careful. And as you can see, I'm not yet blending it in. I'm still just packing it onto the lid. So now I'm just gonna smoke out my eyes, and I'm just dabbing in a little black eyeshadow as usual, because honestly speaking, I feel like for smoking out my eyes, especially any eye look, black is just the way to go. I know it's a scary color because it's really strong, and sometimes like you can like go a little overboard if you're not careful, but it does the jobs. So I'm not gonna over smoke out my eye today. I don't want it like heavily. So I'm just gonna blend in some orange on the top there. So now I'm just gonna cut my crease. Cut it.
Oh.
Cut it. Okay. With my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Tan. Please forgive me if I don't remember like the new names of these concealers because they were renamed, but yeah, this is just... Now I'm taking the shade Nerf It TT and I'm just packing it on where I put the concealer on my crease, and you know, this just gives it pop. Like if you don't set it first, I've been seeing this lately and I feel like people's eyeshadows do pop a little more when you don't set your concealer with the powder first. The problem with that is I have like really wrinkly eyelids, and on top of that they're oily, so I don't know if I can like do this when I'm going out like for an event or something. I can do it right now because I'm home and I'm definitely not going anywhere with like a beat down face and gabs. No. Now I'm just gonna do that with the other eye. If you watch my videos, then you remember the trick that I taught you. If you already beat your face down and you don't wanna like have too much fallout, I saw this trick on YouTube, and you basically just flip your brush around and pat. But since I don't have any base, I don't care, and I'm just gonna... And I've been wearing makeup every day this week, so my already like horrible skin is just like, man, I hate you right now. I hate you. The people are like, we want a divorce, man. We want to leave, and you are gonna pay skin support. Now I'm taking the shade Nerf It TT. Wait, I'm sorry, Kenya. What? I'm taking the shade Kenya, and I'm just gonna blend right between that yellow shade Nerf It TT and the black shadow that I just added. And I think I'm just gonna pat it in first because when I swipe it away, it kind of makes the eyeshadow at the bottom patchy. So I'm just gonna pat it in and let us hope for the best. Alright, now I'm gonna take my Shop Miss A glitter liner and I'm just gonna add character to this look. Just a little bit. And I'm basically just swiping this glitter right where the dark brown meets the yellow, yeah? Just to add a little bit of character to it. And what I'm gonna do is, because I kind of want it to look more intense, like as you go further along the eye, I'm gonna dip it right into the glitter again, and I'm just gonna put more glitter here. If you have loose glitter, you can actually just tap it into your brush or your finger and just dab it right towards the furthest part, just to intensify the look. So this glue, it will probably crease my eyelids if I look up, so I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep my eyes down so that it dries when I am looking down onto my mirror right here. So now I'm gonna be trying out the DCM Hylamide Pore Delete Instant Surface Perfector. This claims, I guess, to basically remove pores that make you photo ready. And you know how sometimes when you apply foundation you have those little tiny bumps and you don't know how to get rid of them, even if you use a beauty blender, they're there because, I mean, pores. Hello. It says if you use without makeup, apply as last skincare step. Otherwise, pat gently over face with fingertips after liquid foundation but before powder. So I just put on my liquid foundations, concealers, and all that jazz. So let's see. Let's. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to use. Let's see what difference it makes. First of all, can I just use a beauty blender for this? Because I'm so afraid of like, because now I have like fingertip trails. Okay, I can feel and sort of kind of see. The problem is I've got fingertip trails all over my face now. Like, right, so now I'm just gonna use a beauty blender because, you know, I tried the whole fingertip thing and no, like, I'm not gonna remove all that hard work just because of like, is this supposed to be this hard to use though? Like, Jesus. Okay, you know what? If you tried this before, please let me know in the comments like what I'm doing wrong, because I feel like it's becoming real patchy. I'm possibly not supposed to use a beauty blender, but like, what was I supposed to do? My fingertips were lifting all the product, and it's just weird because my fingers are oily. Why do I look so ashy all of a sudden? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. I really need to stop trying things like in videos. I need to stop this. I need to do something first and then put it in a video if I think it's gonna work for me, because this can't be happening every time. Ah,
fix it, Jesus.
And I really like this eye look. What the hell? Like, seriously, what? Oh. Guys, so I'm legit just gonna wipe off my foundation and do it over, because I mean, this, like, look at this, look at my skin tone, look at like how, and then look at the white. Now I'm done with my eyes. I'm gonna be doing my lips. I'm lining my lips with my Yardley Stay Fast High Pigment whatever pencil. It's for the eyes, but I use it as a lip liner. It's gonna kill me. Now I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. I honestly don't know the shade because it kind of like scraped off, but it's like a super nude pink lip, and I love it for creating brown nude ombre lips. Now I'm just gonna go in a little more with the lip pencil, because you know what, nude colors can look a little crazy on dark skinned women without lip liner. I don't want to lie to you. Now I'm gonna gloss out my lips with this holographic type gloss from Smudge Cosmetics. I honestly don't even know where this brand is from. Make sure my lips look like I just ate like 3 fat cakes, and then I'll be satisfied. So I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Crown of My Canopy. Just put it right on the high points of my cheekbones right there. This highlighter is very disrespectful, by the way. Like, it will blind you, your family, it's everybody. Now I'm just gonna set my face. Fake hair will never be as disciplined as your real hair. Alright guys, that is this right here is the final look. I did a little bit of like a smokiness. I tried to mimic the look that I posted on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. Lovetapi on Instagram, Lovetapi on YouTube, just so that there's no confusion. You just go from there to here real quickly, you know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos and it's your first time to come here, I'm just gonna leave a link right here so you can check out my other videos. And I know you're bumming, so just you know, it's right here. And I'll see you guys next time.